unit of temperature. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Okay. Symbol is capital K. The other commonly used units are degree Celsius, written as the 0 and C, and degree Fahrenheit. Relation between Kelvin and degree Celsius. P Kelvin is always P degrees Celsius plus 270. Copy this much.
Done, sir.
So what is 20 degrees Celsius? How many Kelvin?
20 degrees Celsius is equals to 293 Kelvin.
Convert following into Kelvin. What you said? 27 degrees Celsius is how many Kelvin?
300.
Correct. But you told earlier different?
So you asked 20 degrees.
No.
So answer will be different.
So 27 degrees Celsius is 300 Kelvin. Okay.
Yes,
0
sir.
degrees Celsius is how many Kelvin?
0 degrees Celsius is 273 Kelvin.
0 plus 273, 273 Kelvin. Minus 273 degrees Celsius.
Minus 273 degrees Celsius equals to 0 Kelvin.
Minus 273 degrees Celsius is nothing but 0 Kelvin. Copy this 3.
Done, sir.
See, even though we are telling 3 degree Kelvin is 273 added with Celsius, but its one divisions are same. Like suppose this is Kelvin wala scale. One divisions are same. One divisions are same, but it is starting with 0 Kelvin, which is equals to minus 273 degrees Celsius. But 1 Kelvin, 2 Kelvin, 3 Kelvin, 4 Kelvin are equivalent to 1 degree Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius, 3 degrees Celsius. So difference between Kelvin is same as Celsius. Like 27 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius. What is difference?
10 degrees Celsius.
So convert into Kelvin, what you will get?
So 300
300.
Kelvin, 310 Kelvin.
So 10 only.
10 Kelvin.
So can I say difference in Celsius and Kelvin is same?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next note. Fourth note. That was how many notes we wrote earlier?
That was
How many notes?
number 1. Convert following into Kelvin. Number 1.
In that 4 sums we did, huh?
3. 127 degrees Celsius. one 0 degree and one minus 273 degree
Okay.
Celsius.
Now second note. The difference of Kelvin scale is same as difference in Celsius scale. Write this also.
Done, sir.
Define
Sir,
absolute 0 Kelvin. Yes,
sir, the relationship between Celsius and Fahrenheit is not there.
we have completed chapter.
No.
Then so how we came to know whether we have completed done or not done?
Okay, sir.
So first we are doing Kelvin and Celsius, then we'll do Celsius and Fahrenheit.
Okay, sir.
Then we'll do all the three.
Mhm.
Absolute 0 Kelvin. They may ask this in the exam. On Kelvin scale, 0 Kelvin is the temperature. On Kelvin scale, 0 Kelvin is the temperature at which pressure and volume of a gas becomes 0. Very important. What is 0 Kelvin? It is temperature at which pressure and volume of gas becomes 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And 0 Kelvin is also called as absolute 0. So either we say absolute 0 or 0 Kelvin, meaning is one and the same.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Done, sir.
Very important, they will ask define absolute 0. What is absolute 0? It is temperature on Kelvin scale at which pressure and volume of gas, be specific, a gas, not solid liquid, gas becomes 0. That means their gas starts moving or they stop moving.
Stop moving.
So can I say at absolute 0, the molecular motion of gas ceases, means stops. Right.
Done, sir.
What is ice point? Meaning of ice point?
Sir, it
The
is
temperature
it?
where water gets converted into ice is called ice point. Is it 0 degrees Celsius?
Yes.
So ice point on Celsius scale is 0 degrees Celsius. On Fahrenheit scale, ice point is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now 0 degrees Celsius means how much Kelvin?
273 Kelvin.
On Kelvin scale, it is 273 Kelvin. Right. This is also called a starting point of that three scales. Ice point is also starting point. 0 Celsius for Celsius scale, 32 degree Fahrenheit for Fahrenheit scale, 273 Kelvin for Kelvin scale.
Done, sir.
The steam point on Celsius scale is how much? 100
100
degrees
degrees Celsius.
Celsius. Yes. On Fahrenheit scale, it is 212 degree Fahrenheit. On Kelvin scale, can you tell how much it will be?
So it
373
will be 373 Kelvin.
Kelvin. Copy second point.
Sir,
If I consider a thermometer or Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, Fahren, Fahrenheit, HEIT scale. Here Kelvin scale. So starting point will be in this scale 0 degrees Celsius and last point will be 100 degree. In this scale it will be 32 degree Fahrenheit and 100 will correspond to 212 Fahrenheit. This is 373 Kelvin and 273 Kelvin. Ice point, steam point.
so this I have to draw.
1 minute, wait. So how many divisions are present here?
100,
Here, difference
180.
will be 180. Here difference is 100. So I can
100.
therefore number of divisions, equal divisions on Celsius scale is 100. Number of divisions, equal divisions on Fahrenheit scale is 180 and number of equal divisions on Kelvin scale is 100. Now draw the diagram and write everything.
Done, sir.
Okay. Relation between all the three scales. See, 100 division of Celsius is 180 division of Fahrenheit.
Yes, sir.
So 1 division of Celsius will be 180 upon 100 division of Fahrenheit.
Yes, sir.
So this will be 9 by 5. That means 1 division of Celsius will be how much? 9 by 5 division of Fahrenheit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, so whenever I want 1 division, I will take 9 by 5 corresponding division of Fahrenheit. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So every time it won't be extreme ends. Huh? Sometimes in between they will give 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 20 degree. It is not extreme. So relation is like this. Celsius means any temperature in degree Celsius minus ice point, which is 0, upon number of division is equals to Fahrenheit minus ice point upon 180. So this becomes 1 division value. 1 division value
Yes, sir.
Kelvin minus ice point 273 upon 100. So whichever they ask relation, you have to remember this and substitute value. So relation between all the three scales are as shown: Celsius minus ice point upon 100, Fahrenheit minus 32 ice point upon number of division is Kelvin minus ice point upon number of division. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. One sum I'm giving based on this then.
Done, sir.
40 degrees Celsius is how much on Fahrenheit scale? Since C minus 0 upon 100 is Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 180. So 40 minus 0 upon 100 Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 180. 20 into 5, 20 into 9. Okay, this much clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm cross multiplying. 40 into 9 is 5 into Fahrenheit minus 32. You can write 5 8s are 40. So 72 is F minus 32. So can I say Fahrenheit will be 72 plus 32? That means it will be 4 and 10, 104 Fahrenheit. Okay. So 40 degrees, how much Fahrenheit? 104. Hey, Sudhanshu, say.
Yes.
Hello, हाँ Sudhanshu, say. Unmute and say.
Sir, can you hear me?
I can.
Yes. Sir, I had one doubt. In question number 2B, the first one, draw displacement time graph for a boy going top school. So, sir, it's like the boy is going top to the school, they meant to say. Or the top school is the name.
Which question?
Question number 2B.
Draw displacement time graph for boy going to the school.
Achha, boy going to the school.
To the school. Top cancel.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
To the school. Thank you.
Done, sir.
Okay. At what value temperature in Celsius is same as Fahrenheit. Let X be the required value. So can I say Celsius minus 0 upon 100 is Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 180?
Yes, sir.
X minus 0 upon 100 will be X minus 32 upon 180. 20 into 5, 20 into 9. So can we say 9x will be 5x minus 32? So 9x is 5x minus 160. 4x will be minus 160. Minus 160 upon 4. So x equals to minus 40. Okay. Hello.
Sure.
So minus 40 degrees Celsius is same as minus 40 Fahrenheit.
Done, sir.
So now any scale can be converted into any, you got idea?
Yes, sir.
Difference between heat and temperature. Difference between heat and temperature. Write this, make 2 column. Made 2 column made.
No, sir.
Right. Make 2 column and first one. Heat is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy obtained due to random motion of molecules of substance. Temperature is thermal state of body, that is degree of hotness and coldness. It determines the direction of flow of heat when two bodies are kept in contact.
Done, sir.
Second point, What is SI unit of heat?
Joule.
Is joule. And SI unit of temperature?
Kelvin.
Kelvin. Second point, write down. The amount of heat contained in the body, this is very important. The amount of heat contained in the body depends on mass, because more mass, more molecule.
Yes, sir.
Temperature and material. So heat in the body depends not only on temperature but also on mass and nature of the material. But the temperature, very important point for MCQ question. The temperature of body depends on the average kinetic energy of molecules in random motion. Very, very important MCQ question. Temperature depends upon average kinetic energy of molecule in random, but heat depends upon mass of body, temperature and material. Fourth, heat is measured by principle of calorimetry. This we will study in 10th. Temperature is measured by thermometer.
Done, sir.
Okay. Two more points we have to write. Fifth, two bodies having same quantity of heat, two bodies having same quantity of heat may differ in temperature. Means heat may be same, but temperature may be different. Two bodies having same heat, but temperature may not be same. Fifth, two bodies at same temperature. Same heat, different temperature. Same way, same temperature, but they may have different heat. May differ in the quantities of heat contained in them. Sudhanshu and Tannu,
Yes, sir.
coming Friday you all don't have lecture because your physics exam will get over.
Okay, sir.
So you will concentrate for other one.
Okay, sir.
Tarun followed now? See, tomorrow
Yes.
we have revision. I will tell the time now. Sunday you have revision. But coming Friday you don't have to say. Let your exam gets over, then we will again resume. But for you, Dhaval, Keval, you have lecture on Friday.
Okay.
This is only for you. 6 point. When two bodies are placed in contact, then total amount of heat, very important again, this point, total amount of heat is sum of heat of individual body. Sum of heat of individual bodies. When two bodies at different temperatures are placed in contact, then resultant temperature, can you see properly?
Yes, sir.
Then resultant temperature is not the sum, but somewhere in between. Is not the sum, it will be somewhere in between. Like 30, 60, when you bring in contact, it won't come 90. It will be somewhere 40, 45 that way. So once you are done, tell me, then I will clear. So our heat and temperature concept we have completely completed.
Completely complete.
Yes.
Complete.
Sunday 4:30 to 5:30 you have to attend even Keval revision lecture, because first and second chapter I'm going to revise. You also have that in there.
First is not there, sir.
But second I will revise. Second is there, no? So when that second chapter revision over, you will leave.
Okay, sir.
Completed paper, Sudhanshu and Tarun?
No, sir, I'm still doing section B. I started from section B.
ठीक है. Chalo, can I clear this then?
Sir,
Keval?
I'm also doing.
Do it.
Yes, sir. Done.
You have time, seat. 2 hours is time. So you can complete till 7:15.
Sir, but I wanted to ask one more thing.
Ask 2 things. Today I will tell you 2 things. Tell.
Sir, next to next Friday also we have a last exam. So we'll have the class, no?
No, you have exam on that day?
Yes, next to next Friday.
No, then during exam no lectures for you all. Because physics जल्दी खत्म हो गया ना?
हाँ.
तो आपको गिफ्ट दे दिया. अगला 2 Friday no lecture. Concentrate on your exams.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Chalo, can I clear this? Keval?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. चलो एक क्वेश्चन देखो. This body is having heat of 40 calorie. Another body is having heat of 100 calorie. They are brought in contact. What will be the temperature? Total heat.
140 calories.
Yes. A body having 40 calorie heat, other body having 100 calorie. Their thermometer records 30 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Celsius. When they are brought in contact, what will be the temperature recorded by thermometer?
Between 30 to 60.
Between 30 and 60 degrees. Perfect. Copy examples. If two bodies are at same temperature, what is that called as? When two bodies are at same temperature, what is that called?
Don't know, sir.
This is called thermal equilibrium.
Oh, yes, that
Yeah.
one
So
equilibrium.
this condition is called as what?
This condition is called
As thermal equilibrium.
equilibrium.
So who will give heat to whom?
No transfer of any heat.
There is no transfer of heat. Correct. Take it, write down. But in higher standard you will study there is equal loss and gain of heat. No
हैं?
net transfer, मतलब 10 दिया 10 लिया ऐसा हो जाएगा फिटूस.
अच्छा, fit to.
Body at higher temperature will give more heat or lower temperature?
Body at higher temperature will give more heat.
So who will become cooler?
Body at higher temperature will become cooler.
And lower temperature will become hotter.
Hot.
Perfect.
सर इसी वजह से सी ब्रीज एंड लैंड ब्रीज होता है ना.
हाँ.
डन सर.
Thermal expansion. What is meaning of thermal?
रिलेटेड टू हीट.
And expansion means
एक्सपांड होना यानी वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज होना.
change in the shape and configuration. Correct?
करेक्ट.
Tarun, what you want?
Sir, I have a doubt in section B. Sir, in section B, question number 6, third one, and question number 7, fourth one. They both are the same question.
Question number, which one?
Question number 6, third one, and question number 7, fourth one.
6 ka third is what is natural magnet? Huh? Okay. And which one you are telling?
Question number 7, fourth.
Change that. I'm just telling. Write down.
Okay.
What is neutral point? बस इतना लिखो. What is neutral point? Fourth one. Fourth question, write down. What is neutral point? Okay.
Okay, sir. I also changed it.
Okay. Thermal expansion. See, if I pull a body, will it expand?
सर अगर रिजिड होगा तो नहीं होगा.
नहीं,
और
फ्लेक्सिबल
अगर
का बात कर रहे हैं. फ्लेक्सिबल का.
हाँ होगा.
तो वो थर्मल नहीं है, उसको इलास्टिसिटी बोलते हैं. So can I say the expansion of a substance on heating is called as thermal expansion of that substance. Done? Meaning followed? The expansion of substance on heating is called thermal expansion of that substance.
Yes sir. Done.
Right, write down.
Done.
How many types of thermal expansion you know?
Yes sir. 3 types.
Which are those 3 types?
One is linear expansion, superficial expansion, cubical expansion.
What is other name of superficial?
Area expansion.
Areal expansion.
Okay.
Superficial expansion is also called as aerial expansion. Aerial matlab area is expanded. And cubical is also called as volume expansion. Cubical expansion, or it is also called as volume expansion. Okay,
Yes, sir.
write down.
Done, sir.
Gas has got definite shape.
No,
Liquid has got definite shape.
no.
They take shape of container.
Yes, sir.
तो उसके पास लीनियर इंक्रीज और एरियल इंक्रीज नहीं होता है. तो
उसका सिर्फ
volume
वॉल्यूम
expansion भी है
एक्सपेंशन
पूरा.
होता है.
So fluids, that is liquid and gas, have only volume expansion, but solids have all the expansion. Who will expand more?
Gas.
Gas. So can I say expansion in gas is greatest and solid is least, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down this much again.
Then
Generally, when you heat the substance, what should they show? Expansion or contraction?
expansion.
But sometimes they give ulta.
Yes, anomalous expansion of what?
So when substance contracts on heating, then this phenomenon is called as what?
Anomalous expansion.
Anomalous expansion. Yes. Anomalous means abnormal.
Okay, sir.
Anomalous expansion. It is found at certain condition. For water, it is between which degree to which degree?
0
4
degree to 4
Celsius
degree.
0 degree. And for silver iodide, it is from 80 degrees Celsius to 141 degrees Celsius. And for silica, it is below minus 80 degrees Celsius. Just write down this three. You have to remember. We have to study water, but ये textbook में दे दिया. Remember, water is between 40, silver iodide 80 to 141, and silica below minus 8.
Then, sir.
Easy chapter, na both.
Yes, sir.
Define anomalous expansion of water. Define anomalous expansion of water. the expansion of water when it is cooled from 4 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius is called as anomalous expansion of water. Right.
Done, sir.
Okay. Draw graph showing variation of 1 gram of water between 0 to 10 degrees Celsius. Variation of volume of 1 gram. Right heading? Draw graph showing variation of volume of 1 gram of water between 0 and 10.
Done, sir.
Okay, sir.
Hey,
This is which axis?
X. नहीं, Y.
उल्टा देख रहे हैं क्या आप?
मतलब
This is which axis?
X.
X. Temperature we have to change from where to where?
0 degrees to 10 degrees.
0 degrees to degrees Celsius. Temperature in degrees Celsius. Zero degree, 2 degree, 4 degree, 6 degree, 8 degree, 10 degree. 1 gram of water will have volume of 1 centimeter cube at 4 degree. Hello?
Okay, sir.
1 gram of water will have volume of 1 centimeter cube at what temperature?
4 degrees Celsius
4
temperature.
degrees Celsius. So what will happen if I decrease the temperature 4 to 0? It will expand or contract?
Decrease the temperature from 4 to 0.
Yes, that
Then
means
it
we are
will
cooling it.
expand.
Then it will expand due to anomalous behavior. So that means its volume will slightly increase.
Yes, sir.
Slightly increase. तो थोड़ा सा increase होएगा, समझ में इतना नहीं आता है. So 4 to 0 volume will increase. So 0 to 4 it will slightly decrease.
Yeah, 0 to 4.
0 to 4 when you heat, then it will
Volume decreases.
contract, na?
Yes, sir.
And 4 onwards it will expand, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So this is graphical representation of volume and temperature. Draw this.
Done, sir.
Huh? In notebook you have to do, don't take screenshot.
Hey,
I think you have taken screenshot.
no, sir.
You have drawn?
Huh.
Okay. Where is volume minimum? At which temperature?
One,
At
no,
4
4
degrees
degrees
Celsius.
Celsius.
It is minimum. Then 0 to 4 increases. 4 to further also increases.
Hmm.
Graph of density of water with temperature.
अब इसका उल्टा होगा.
Yes, from 0 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. What is density?
What is density, mass upon volume?
Mass upon volume. So when volume decreases, density will,
Increase,
and when volume increases, then density will
decrease, inversely
decrease. Now
proportional.
we are taking a CGS unit, gram per centimeter cube, CGS unit. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. At 4, volume is minimum or maximum?
Volume is minimum.
What is density of water in CGS?
Density of water in CGS
1
is
gram
1.
per centimeter cube. But that is at 4 degree every time. Okay?
Sir.
Because volume is minimum, this is maximum. So at 0 degree, will the volume remain same or it will be increasing?
0 degree
जब ये आइस
will
बनता है तो
increase.
वाटर का साइज बढ़ जाता है ना,
Hmm.
तो डेंसिटी विल डिक्रीज नो स्लाइटली.
Yes. So,
Slightly it will decrease, and then maximum again decreases. Followed?
yes, sir. Followed.
Copy.
Done, sir.
Okay. So we can say thus density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. Which is 1 gram per centimeter cube or 1 kg per meter cube.
1000.
1000, 10 raised to 3, 1000 minus 3.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next one, right? Hope's experiment to demonstrate the anomalous expansion of water. Right heading. Hope's experiment to demonstrate anomalous expansion of water.
Done, sir.
Okay. First I'm showing diagram, then we'll write observation, then we'll write explanation why it happens. Have you seen Hope's apparatus?
No. वीडियो टीचर ने दिखाया था, उसमें देखा था.
देखा था ना कैसे रहता है.
हाँ.
एक ऐसा सिलेंडर रहता है बराबर, फिर
दो
इसका
होल.
बीच में एक ऐसा एक डिस्क जैसा रहता है थोड़ा, और इसमें थोड़ा होल रहता है बिकॉज जो आइस मेल्ट होगा ना इधर से बाहर आ जाएगा, और ऊपर 2 होल रहते हैं, वन फॉर थर्मोमीटर अबव, अदर फॉर बिलो. ठीक है. non-drawing neat diagram. Why it is called Hope's apparatus? It gives some hope.
Because the scientist's name
The
or
scientist-
surname was Hope.
T.C. Hope was the scientist name.
Oh, surname.
Surname. He developed one apparatus called as Hope's apparatus to demonstrate anomalous expansion of water. So it
Okay,
consists of a tall metallic cylinder provided with two openings, P near top and Q near bottom. मेटालिक का जगह पे आप प्लास्टिक का लेंगे तो भी फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, उसने मेटालिक लिया, ठीक है. So it consists of what? How many cylinder?
Consists of one cylinder.
One cylinder. It is short or tall?
Tall.
Tall. Metallic or plastic?
Anything is okay.
No, but Hope ने क्या लिया वो बोलना है ना अपने को.
Metallic.
Metallic. So this is nothing but metallic cylinder. Metallic cylinder. At the central region, this is totally filled with water. Huh? Totally filled with water. Filled with water. Top to bottom, water. Because we have to study behavior of this water. At the central part, sorry, how many openings are there?
Two.
Two. What for?
Inserting thermometer.
Thermometer. One at the above and other below. So this is suppose one thermometer inserted here. Will show the recordings at point P. Here thermometer P, T1. And here at lower end, another thermometer T2. T2, this is point Q. So T1, comma T2 are thermometers. Okay.
Yes,
Any doubt?
sir.
Any doubt? It consists of long metallic cylinder filled with water provided with two openings at P and Q through which two thermometers T1, T2 can be inserted. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The central part, देखो वो ना जो ट्रफ है उसको ऊपर नीचे कर सकते हैं हम लोग, बट जनरली एट सेंटर पे हम लोग एक डिस्क लाइक ट्रफ is situated. Central part of cylinder is surrounded by cylindrical trough containing freezing mixture of ice and salt.
Water.
Ice and salt. Water, ice and salt.
Very
Freezing
good.
mixture of ice and salt. Huh? So here ice and salt is placed.
सर वो कुल्फी वाला ना.
हाँ हाँ बराबर. Freezing mixture of ice and salt. This is placed. तो ये ना 0 डिग्री तक रिकॉर्ड करता है और ये 4 डिग्री पे रुक जाता है बाद में. क्यू वाला पार्ट मैं आपको समझाऊंगा. जस्ट ड्रॉ द डायग्राम. Apparatus.
Done, sir.
अरे सो फटाफट यू आर डूइंग.
Yes, sir. आपके साथ साथ ही कर रहा हूँ.
Okay. It consists of means what? Hope is consisting of.
Hope's apparatus.
हाँ नहीं तो होप का कैसा ऐसा रहेगा. So it consists of a tall metallic cylinder provided with how many openings?
Two.
Two openings. P near top and Q near bottom. What is this opening for? Leakage है क्या?
Thermometer.
Because we can insert thermometer. So it is provided with two opening, P near top and Q near bottom, fitted with thermometers. What thermometer does?
Records the temperature.
Yes. So fitted with thermometers. Lavar इसे क्या thermometers? No, नाम दे
मतलब
देते हैं ना उसका T1 T2.
सर वो तो लिखा हुआ है.
नहीं वो तो लिखने बाद में एक्सप्लेन नहीं देना. T1 T2 2 thermometers. ये तो डायग्राम के लिए खाली बोला. Just write down this much. एक और लाइन लिखता हूँ. The central. If they say diagram and explain construction, then only this much. The central part.
सर आपने लीकेज बोला ना तो मुझे वो चैप्टर नंबर 4 में वो जो एक्सपेरिमेंट था ना कि
हाँ।
पानी हाइट से गिरता है तो
Yes,
क्या
yes.
प्रेशर रहता है
हाँ.
वो याद आ गया.
The central part is surrounded by a cylindrical trough. Cylindrical trough containing freezing mixture of ice and salt.
Sir,
हाँ.
sir, in question number 4A,
Hmm.
third one, that diagram which you have given of a circuit, in that down, they have given E beside the circle. It should not be E na, it should be V. V.
Yes, sir. Sir,
See,
so I thought that it was a name, so I named it.
एक मिनट चिल्लाओ मत ज्यादा. That is perfect. You have to identify what is that E.
Yes, sir. That is why I wrote in front of E the answer.
It is not why they will give V. They can give anything. You have to identify what it is. That is the only technique of this sum. सब जगह पे जो जिधर जो है उधर वो दे दिया तो क्या लिखेंगे आप? A, B, C, D, E, F are points. You have to identify what are they. Got it?
Yes.
See, if I write A, B का जगह पे उसका नाम, A का जगह पे उसका नाम, तो कोई भी कर सकता है ना. तो इसलिए जानबूझ के ऐसा दे दिया है. आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. व्हाट इज ए? नसीब से इधर ए एमीटर आ गया. उसका मतलब ये एलिफेंट नहीं है.
हाँ.
हाँ. डाउट क्लियर?
Oh,
सुधांशु आपको
हाँ,
लगता
इसलिए
है?
मैं
नहीं नहीं,
हाँ,
आपको शॉक बहुत लगता है. आपको करंट एकदम और अच्छे से देना पड़ेगा थोड़ा. हाँ.
सर मैं वो ए से कंफ्यूज हो गया क्योंकि ए का दिया था तो मुझे लगा.
हाँ. इसलिए ऐसे वो ए ऐसा है, बी ऐसा है, सी ऐसा है, अलग. अभी नसीब से ए मतलब एमीटर आपको मालूम है.
हाँ.
ओके. चलो एवरी केवल कंप्लीटेड दिस मच.
Yes sir, done.
So experiment का adjustment is done. Now we are seeing it's working. First observation we'll see, and then why it is happening, that we'll see. What you will observe? Hope you will observe, or hope apparatus you will observe.
Oh separate.
In fact, वो thermometer I will observe. ठीक है?
हाँ.
So can I say initially first observation, both the thermometers T1 T2 will show same temperature or different temperature?
Will show the same temperature, no?
What will be that temperature?
The starting temperature.
That is called room temperature.
Okay.
In India, what is room temperature we take?
27 degrees Celsius.
27 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Celsius? Room
Okay.
temperature we take 27, body temperature we take 32.
Body, हाँ 30.
Body temperature we take 37.
98.6 degree Fahrenheit.
Yes. So ये अभी इसने आपके बुक में दिया है 12 डिग्री सेल्सियस रूम टेम्परेचर. तो होप क्या
दिल्ली
इंडियन था?
जैसी जगह में होगी.
होप इंडियन था क्या?
नो.
वो तो फॉरेनर था ना, उनका कंट्री में ठंडा रहेगा,
हाँ.
इसलिए रूम टेम्परेचर उसको 12 मिलेगा. ठीक है?
Yes sir.
Second observation. First, the thermometer, first the temperature recorded by lower thermometer, which is named T2, starts decreasing. ना इंसाफी है ना ये, बेचारा जो ऊपर का मेले पे रह रहा है उसको कुछ नहीं मिला, नीचे वाला और भी ठंडा हो रहा है. Lower temperature T2 starts decreasing and finally becomes steady. What is meaning of steady? Constant.
No movement.
No, temperature becomes constant at
Oh.
4 degree Celsius, while the upper thermometer remains almost unchanged. मतलब वो रूम टेम्परेचर ही दिखा रहा है, almost unchanged till lower वाला 4 डिग्री पे आया. ओके, हेलो,
Okay, sir.
वाई वाला पार्ट समझा रहा हूं, लेकिन क्या दिखेगा हम लोग को? T2 will show decrease in temperature. After 4 it will become constant. During this interval T1 is neither cooling nor getting heated. That is at 12 degree. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
So write down so that I can clear. Can I clear?
Yes, sir.
Third point. This is last for today. Observation explanation in the next class I will do. While the thermometer, while the temperature recorded by thermometer T2 remains constant at 4 degrees Celsius, the upper thermometer T1 shows a continuous fall up to continuous fall in temperature up to 0 degrees Celsius, and then it becomes steady. Thus, finally, temperature recorded by upper thermometer is 0 degrees Celsius. Thermometer T1 is 0 degrees Celsius, and lower thermometer T2 is 4 degrees Celsius. Complete, huh?
No, sir, not done.
No, once you complete, tell me.
Done, sir.
Now one graph, then we'll stop, huh? Graph showing variation in temperature recorded by T1 comma T2.
Yes, sir.
This is time which is taken in minutes. Temperature in degrees Celsius for T1. T1 is at room temperature, no, at the start. Till what it will remain at room temperature for very long period of time. Means till T2 is coming to 4, it will try to remain at 12, 12.
Yes.
So for longer period, correct?
Yes, sir.
And this is suppose 4 degrees Celsius. This is again time in minutes, temperature. At the start, what is temperature? 12 degrees Celsius of both? Both are 12 only at the start.
Because it is a room temperature.
Then slowly this lower wala will decrease, 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 decrease and become constant. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And becomes constant. Suppose this time is, for example, I am taking 10 minutes. So till 10 minutes, it will almost remain constant. So it will remain constant, constant, and then suddenly decrease, na?
तो वो सडन डिक्रीज कैसे हुआ?
अभी इधर तक कांस्टेंट 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 आया कितना 4 डिग्री तक टाइम तक ना. This is how much minute? 10 minutes. But after that it will decrease, no, and come to 0.
Yes, sir.
See, this is point
Okay, sir.
C. ये B4 ये कांस्टेंट है तभी तक और बाद में B और C इसका कांस्टेंट लेकिन इसका डिक्रीजिंग. Got it?
Got it.
Copy. So that's all. Next class we'll see why it is happening.
Done, sir.
That's all for today. Let's meet on Sunday. Time is 4:30 to 5:30.
Okay, sir.
And
Bye,
you will
sir.
have-
Thank you, sir. Have a good night.
One minute. Very good night.